my channel, and today I'm going to be making fluffy slime. So now I'm going to be adding in the glue. That's the first step. Alright. So now it's shaving cream. First you gotta shake it before you add in. Alright. Now we gotta mix. So now it's color. That was a mess up. It's like a hot pink. So pretty. Oh God, what am I gonna do with that? I think now it's time for some activator. This is the part that we gotta be careful of. Right? It's coming together. For some reason it smells really good. I think we need a little bit more Stofflo. Yeah. I'm gonna be careful with it because I don't want to activate it. Oh, we gotta be careful with it. I think I'm gonna start using my hands. It's coming together. Alright, I think I'm gonna start using my hands now. Coming together. Just gotta keep mixing till it comes off the sides. I think I need a little bit more Stofflo. Just keep mixing until it comes off the sides. I'm gonna start using my hands now. Oh God. You know, you should always keep one hand clean because just in case you need more activator. Yeah, I think I really do need more. It's out of the sides. Yep, I do need a little bit more activator. it off of my hands. That's sticky. Let's get this off of my hands. It feels so satisfying. Wow. We added a little bit more because, you know, it wasn't that fluffy. But this feels so good. Whoa. How satisfying this feels. And, you know, the looking of it too looks satisfying too. If that makes sense. But it's really soft too. Let me clean it out. It feels so soft. I can't stop saying that. Now the table's a mess. Alright, this is the final look. And it's really fluffy, so now I'm just gonna crunch it. It's really nice, fluffy, and yeah. And I'm giving out two shout outs of the week. Shout out to Nora's Life. I'll leave her channel in the description down below. And shout out to Yara Bader. And yeah. It's really nice and fluffy. And bye guys.